Hello guys, welcome back to Autozag channel. The 2025 Chevy Silverado EV is Chevrolet's bold step into the future of electric trucks. Blending the rugged durability the Silverado is known for with cutting-edge electric technology. This EV version retains the iconic, muscular design of the traditional Silverado but updates it with a sleek, aerodynamic silhouette that reflects its electric capabilities. The front grille has been replaced with a closed-off, modern fascia that includes LED lighting, giving it a futuristic appearance while still embodying the toughness associated with the Silverado name. Under the hood, or rather, where the engine would typically be, the Silverado EV offers impressive electric performance. The truck comes with a dual-motor setup that provides powerful acceleration, towing capabilities, and a substantial driving range. Chevrolet has equipped it with the latest battery technology, enabling it to compete with other electric trucks in terms of range and efficiency. This makes it not only a practical choice for daily commuting but also a viable option for long-haul drives and heavy-duty tasks. Inside, the 2025 Silverado EV is as advanced as it is robust. The cabin features a large, high-resolution infotainment screen that seamlessly integrates with the driver's smartphone, offering connectivity and convenience at your fingertips. The interior space is generous, with comfortable seating and plenty of storage options, making it a versatile choice for both work and family use. The materials used are of high quality, ensuring a premium feel that complements its futuristic design. Driving the 2025 Silverado EV is a unique experience, combining the quiet smoothness of an electric vehicle with the power and capability expected from a Silverado. The truck handles well with responsive steering and a suspension system that balances comfort with the ability to handle rough terrain. Its electric motors deliver instant torque, making acceleration both quick and smooth, a feature particularly useful when towing heavy loads. In conclusion, the 2025 Chevy Silverado EV represents a significant leap forward in the world of electric trucks. It maintains the rugged, dependable nature of the traditional Silverado while introducing the benefits of electric power. For those looking for a truck that combines the best of both worlds, toughness and sustainability, the Silverado EV is a compelling choice. It's a clear indication that the future of trucks is not just electric but also capable of meeting the demands of serious truck users.